When you're stopping on the word on Samaa'a, the question is how many harakats do you make the mud letter over here, and is it different if you stop on it with Ishmam and Rom? So the answer is when you stop on it, you have what's called mad arid li sukun. The last letter becomes a sukun, so Samaa'a. And the rule for that, you could choose 2 or 4 or 6, but you have to keep it consistent throughout your recitation. Either choose 2 and all the ayahs do 2 or 4 or 6. So you have those choices, 2, 4, or 6. The other way that you could do it is if you look at this, you have a mud letter and a hamza after it, so you could do 4 or 5. So then you have 4 different possibilities, 2, 4, 5, or 6. So that's how you stop it if it becomes a sukun. Samaa'a. You could do 2, Samaa'a, or 4, Samaa'a, or 5, Samaa'a, or 6, Samaa'a. That's how when you stop on it with the sukun mahd. Now when you stop on it with ishmam, the last letter u, you don't pronounce it, you just extend your lips forward. So the same thing goes, Samaa'a, your lips forward, and the same number of counts go. You could do 4 or 5 or 6. We do 6, Samaa'a, and then you extend your lips forward with ishmam. Now what happens is when you do it with Rom, what you do is you pronounce this with 1/3 of a harakat. So in Rom, you have to follow the rules as if you're continuing, not stopping. So you can only do mad wajib muttasil, which is 4 or 5. So you can say Samaa'a, like 4 or 5. Samaa'a, 1/3 of a harakat with the u, and this would have to be 4 or 5. So that's the rule with the Rom. And Allah knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.